Kinesiology is the study of human movement. It explores how our amazing bodies work. We learn about motion, forces, and energy. This science is very important for everyone. It helps us understand ourselves much better. Our bodies are truly complex machines. Kinesiology helps to decode these machines. It is a fascinating field of study. It provides insights into our physical capabilities. Why should we study movement? Movement is essential for life. Good, efficient movement often means good health. Kinesiology helps us to move better. It can play a role in preventing injuries. It can also boost physical performance. Many athletes use its core principles. Physical therapists also rely on it daily. Everyone can benefit from this knowledge. Understanding movement is truly key to well-being. Kinesiology is a broad and diverse field. It covers many different areas of study. We study the bones that form our skeleton. We study the muscles that create force. We also study the nerves that control actions. Joints are very important components too. All of these parts must work together correctly. They create smooth and coordinated movement. Kinesiology looks at this entire integrated system. It is a holistic view of human motion. Joints are the stars of our discussion today. What exactly are joints in the human body? Joints are specific connection points. They are the places where two or more bones meet. You can think of them as biological junctions. These junctions are designed to allow for movement. Some joints permit a very large range of motion, others allow very little, providing stability instead. They are carefully designed for their specific tasks. Our skeleton absolutely needs them for function. Joints primarily enable motion. This is their most well-known job. They act as fulcrums for our skeletal levers. Muscles attach to bones and pull across these fulcrums. This action creates the leverage needed for movement. This leverage moves our arms and legs. It moves all of our various body parts. Without joints, our bodies would be completely rigid. We would be like unmoving statues. Movement is simply impossible without them. Joints also provide crucial structural support. They help our bodies to bear weight effectively. They connect the bones of the skeleton securely. Strong bands of tissue called ligaments help hold joints together. Smooth cartilage covers bone ends, cushioning them. This cartilage significantly reduces friction during movement. Healthy joints are both strong and stable. This balance of mobility and stability is vital. It is essential for proper physical function. Our daily life completely depends on our joints. We use them constantly, often without thinking. Walking requires coordinated action from hip and knee joints. Eating involves the use of jaw and elbow joints. Even simple writing needs finger and wrist joints. Almost every action we perform involves them. Healthy joints mean freedom of movement. They contribute significantly to our independence. We must learn to care for them properly. Joints in the human body come in many forms. Each specific type has a distinct purpose. The structure of a joint clearly dictates its function. Some joint types allow for very wide ranges of motion. Others are much more restricted in their movement. This careful and specific design is very efficient. It perfectly matches the diverse needs of the body. Let us now look at some common examples. We will see their unique and important roles. Hinge joints are a very common type. Think of how a door hinge operates. These joints primarily move in one plane. They allow for bending and straightening actions. Your elbow is an excellent example of a hinge joint. Your knee is another prominent hinge joint. These joints are crucial for many daily actions. Activities like walking or lifting objects depend on them. They provide strong, controlled, and predictable movement. Ball and socket joints are structurally different. In this type, one bone has a rounded, ball-like end. This rounded end fits neatly into a cup-like socket. This specific arrangement allows for great freedom. Movement can occur in many different directions. Your shoulder is a prime example of this joint. Your hip joint is another important ball and socket joint. These joints permit complex, multi-directional actions. Such actions include throwing or rotating a limb. Other important joint types exist in the body too. For example, pivot joints allow for rotation. Your neck contains important pivot joints. They are what let you turn your head side to side. Gliding joints or planar joints allow bones to slide past each other. You can find these in your wrists. They are also present in your ankles. Each joint type makes a unique contribution. They all contribute to our overall mobility and dexterity. Kinesiology carefully studies all these joints. It scientifically analyzes how they work together. It looks at the forces acting on the body. It examines complex muscle activation patterns. It measures precise ranges of motion at each joint. This collected data is very valuable information. It helps us to understand movement mechanics deeply. It reveals how efficient our movements are, or it can show where potential problems might arise. This scientific knowledge has many practical applications. It consistently helps to improve physical performance. Athletes can use it to train much smarter. Coaches can design more effective training drills. Ergonomists use it to design better workspaces. This helps to reduce unnecessary strain on joints. It makes many daily tasks inherently safer. Kinesiology improves our interaction with the physical world. It helps to optimize how we move through life. Injury prevention is a key goal of kinesiology. This science helps to identify specific risk factors. It clearly shows how poor movement patterns can hurt joints. It helps to design targeted exercise programs. These exercises strengthen the supporting structures around joints. Rehabilitation also heavily relies on kinesiology principles. It skillfully guides recovery after an injury occurs. It helps to restore normal, pain-free joint function. This restoration is critical. Understanding our joints is absolutely vital. Kinesiology provides this essential understanding. It clearly links anatomical structure to biomechanical function. It helps us to appreciate our amazing bodies. With this knowledge, we can move more safely, we can perform all our daily tasks more efficiently, we can ultimately live healthier, more active lives. Kinesiology effectively unlocks our full movement potential. It truly is a science for everyone, at any age.